Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
3.5mm audio in and mic ports. These are the ports to use for wired gaming headsets with 3.5mm jacks. This headphone jack belongs to a family of electrical connectors used for analog audio signals and is typically known by other names like audio jack, phone jack, and aux input.
Take our lead.
If your main switcher device has a headphone jack, we recommend using it as the input to route your audio instead of any available Lightning or USB-C ports. If you need stereo, you'll need to connect using your device's USB-C or Lightning port.
Let's help you make your mark.
What are the differences between 2.5mm, 3.5mm and 6.35mm headphone jacks? The primary, most obvious difference is size. The numbers given refer to the diameter of the jack, but the lengths of the connectors are also different. Certain applications have certain standard sizes.
Take our lead.
You can use a headphone jack to provide audio for recording. Since a headphone jack gives a line-level audio source, the recording will not be amplified, so you may need to boost the volume after the recording is done through your mixing tools. The stereo output may not be received by all recording devices.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.